Welcome back, my wonderful home cooks. For today's recipe, I've got to thank Chef Marilyn Brown from, well, Chef Marilyn's in LA. It's her restaurant after all. She's been serving tasty mac and cheese using a similar everything in the pot technique for years. So I've adapted this method to create this elevated recipe, which is perfect if you're juggling several things at the same time. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the section below so you can copy. Let's preheat our oven. In a casserole dish, let's start with the pasta and then the milk. Add your choice of cheese. If you're using American, then roughly rip it up and distribute. Season it lightly with salt, but a fair bit of black pepper. I also add a crumbled stock cube and a tablespoon of mustard, just to flavour the sauce. And distribute the butter and give it a good mix. Now pop into the preheated oven, initially for 20 minutes, before taking out and giving it a good stir. Return it back to the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes. Now the dish is ready. But optionally, you can add some extra cheese on top and make a crust. Pop this back in the oven for an extra 5 minutes. And it's done. It's a humble dish that I usually cook when I have folks coming over. So come on, we can surely have a bit of fun while serving it. Did you know the mac and cheese pairs great with Malaysian rendang, especially in a burger? Or some creative ways to serve them for your guests. Well, I hope you enjoyed this simple hack. It certainly is less time consuming. So why not like and subscribe and see what's coming up next on the channel? Come on, join the club. So until next time, bye.